Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to activate your SparkCast debit card quickly and easily. The most common way to activate your card is to use it for the first time at an ATM or payment terminal. Simply make a PIN-based transaction like withdrawing cash or making a small purchase. Once the transaction is complete, your card will be automatically activated. You can also activate your card through the SparkCast banking app. Just open the app, log in to your account, and follow the on-screen instructions to confirm your card details. Another option is to set up your card for mobile payments using Apple Pay or Google Pay, linking it to your phone and completing a first transaction will also activate the card. And that's it. After these quick steps, your SparkCast debit card will be ready to use for everyday payments. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.